continue with story of letter C. Kallu cat is a coolie. He earns coins by carrying bags. In his free time, he performs cartwheels to earn more coins. Kallu cat eats catfish and cabbage while watching cartoons. One day, he found a caterpillar in his cabbage and he kept it as a pet. One morning, even though the rooster said, "Cock-a-doodle, Kallu, I've come to wake you," but Kallu couldn't move from his couch. He was ill. So his pet caterpillar crawls off to find some help. He brings Dr. Cuckoo, the camel, who gives Kallu cactus and cashew nuts to eat. After eating cactus and cashew nuts, Kallu feels energetic, he's well and back to work again. That's the story of letter C for you. Keep watching and follow me for more such videos.